Time now is 6:02. Happening today, the Supreme Court is set to hear arguments on the Idaho transgender athletics ban.
KREM 2's Brandon T. Jones is live in studio this morning to break this all down. So Brandon, it's just a hearing today, but the ruling that ultimately comes from this case could have a huge impact on the entire country.
Oh, that's exactly right. Good morning, Tim, Nicole. 27 states currently have a ban on transgender girls and women from participating in female sports or teams. Idaho is included in that number and has been for 6 years when Governor Brad Little signed the Fairness in Women's Sports Act. The law requires athletic teams at public schools, colleges, and universities to be designated based on biological sex, stating in that law that teams designated for women or girls shall not be open to the male sex. Well, shortly after that law was signed into place, Lindsay Hecox, a trans woman, sued the state because it prevented her from competing on Boise State's women's track and field team. After years of litigation, Hecox filed a notice attempting to dismiss her lawsuit just this past fall, citing significant personal and family challenges, including negative publicity from the case. But a U.S. District Court judge struck down the dismissal effort, saying it would be unfair to the public's interest to abandon the lawsuit now. Just yesterday, Governor Little spoke about this topic in his State of the State.
And we led the nation in preventing men from competing in women's sports.
So the Supreme Court hearing today is expected to begin in just about an hour at 7 a.m. We'll listen closely and keep you informed on what comes from that hearing. The court's ruling, though, will likely come later in 2026. Live in the studio, Brandon T. Jones, KREM 2 News.